Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create scrolling animation or end credits using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my design on my Canva. And then for example, I'm going to create scrolling animation for this text. And first of all, we need to select the text like this, and then we can go to the animation or animate menu. And then we need to select custom animation. We can select this one, create an animation, and you can read the description right here or the instruction right here. Select and drag an element around the canvas to create your animation. And I'm going to create scrolling animation like this. Okay, and this is the result. And you can customize the speed and also the movement style. I'm going to make it smooth and I'm going to make it faster. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling animation using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!